Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, we are live at moment. If you are joining, please hit that button. It's very, very important. We are here to discuss about what happened earlier today. The situation report from Oro State in Imo State, where Nigerian security agencies have come to challenge Biafran Liberation Army. A lot happened there. The videos and pictures that coming out from the incident that what happened in Imo State, the incident that took place in Imo State, is shocking, and we cannot share it here because of this platform we are using. It is not allowed. So, but we are going to talk more about it. PM had a security briefing. What's happening in Biafra land, and especially in Olo, where it seems like it's the center of the whole thing at the moment. So he also made it clear and give Biafrans, you know, what they should do. Stay away from barracks. So barrack, and if you are living close to a barrack in Nigeria, you need to stay away. Once it's 6 p.m., you have to avoid going out, stay in your house, so that you will not be a victim of circumstance, because nobody knows what may happen, so that you will not join, step into danger without knowing. Once it's 6 p.m., the advice is that you should stay in your house. Don't go out as long as you are living close to barrack in Nigeria. So that is the information. And people, not only in your law, this information is in everywhere in Biafran land, because Biafran Liberation Army may decided to go on the evangelical movement close to the barrack where you may, you may be outside. Then that is why the advice is that you should stay indoor once it's 6 p.m. Biafran time. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the referendum and the importance of it. Each time you hear that war is going on, that this is happening, and the pictures and video that surfacing, we all should understand that it is all about money. It is money, 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 money. Without money, in fact, it will be a different issue. And we have to acknowledge the fact that different governments are not, should I say reckless, because DOS during their own time, nobody sees what they're doing, but they keep on, asking for payment, donation, and all that. But now you can see where the money is going, what the money is all about. So we have to accept the fact that that is what we all need. That is what we need. Yes, I have my brother with me in this live broadcast today. He's one of us. Some of us have seen him, so I'm going to bring him also in this program. He will join me shortly. But I want to use this opportunity to, ask our people that have not followed him in his platform, please go to his platform and join him. He needs our presence in his platform as well, because the job is not all about, it's not for one person. It's not for one person. So this our brother is one of us. He's trying his best to make sure that he passes the message across. Even if you go to his YouTube, some of you that are asking me how can you vote, he have the video also in his platform as well. Okay, without wasting much of your time, DOS are still crying, and they are still pushing to, mock and belittle the job of Biafran government in exile and Biafran PM. But you cannot cover the truth. Truth is like a sun. The light must not, you can't cover it. Even if when you attempt, you are wasting your time. My brother, I think your network is giving problem because you can't come up. I don't know why. I saw your request and I accepted you, but I can't see you up. What is going on? I need your presence now. If you go to Mega Gift platform, there's something interesting that I would like you to see. It's a picture actually. So let me flip the camera so you see this. Uh, can you see that? Can you see this? Okay, now here is it. This is a mega gift. Okay, you can see this is his platform. This is Xhan. You see. So this is a mega gift platform, and what you can see here is what Biafran flags with Palestinian flags. You can see that. Can you see it? So these are DOS, and what according to him, the the title as I have it here says IPOB family meetings have resumed in earnest worldwide. Have resumed in earnest worldwide. Okay, hashtag free Biafra, hashtag free Masnamodekano. We are very coordinated. This is a mega gift, and if you don't know a mega gift is one of the DOS hardcore in in attacking the general Biafrans. Hardcore in this sense is not the hardcore that you know. He just he's one of the people who make comment and post nonsense that you
Good
can't.
evening.
Yeah, brother. Good evening to you. Your camera, the light, I can't see your face is quite dark.
Of my phone is bouncing back. I decided to use my second phone. That is why the camera is like this. This phone, the camera is that one is
Okay, okay.
bouncing back. That's why I
As
switched to another phone. Let me
hello,
use it again.
I'm strong. I'm strong. Good evening. Good evening. Your time. I think it should
Should
be
I
evening US, right?
should I log out and come in again with my second phone? Let me see if you pick.
That would be better because Biafran would like to see your face. But I just told them that they need to go to your platform to subscribe
Okay,
for
okay.
you. Yeah.
I,
So if you can get your other phone, it will be better so that they will know the face of the person.
it's
Yes,
bouncing back.
like I
It's
said.
bouncing back here. No problem.
Yeah, just come back. Just come back. Try and come back. So, like I said, my people, we have this post. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, it's afternoon your time. I'm strong. How are you today? Thank you for joining me in this live broadcast. I really appreciate your presence. So you have seen the pictures that this guy posted. Normally, they said they are following Masna Moricano, and anything Israel is not in the dictionary. Anything Israel is not in the dictionary. Yeah, now you come. This
No,
is the picture.
this one is bouncing back. This one is not bright, but this one is bouncing back. That is why.
Oh, I see. But now because we complain and the phone have heard our complaint, so he said to respect himself.
Yes, yes.
How
Good
are you
evening. Good
today?
evening.
How
I
are you
thank God for.
today?
I thank God. Good evening, Biafran.
Did you see the picture that I just shared now? The screen that I flipped the camera for you to okay, let me maybe you are not properly in there. Let me do it again. So see this. Can you see that?
Let me. Okay, I'm seeing it.
Okay, this is IPOB. You can see the write up here by Make a Gift. Okay, you can see the write up, and the write up
Worldwide.
says yes. It said IPOB family meeting or meetings have resumed in earnest worldwide. This my concern about this post is these flags that we are seeing here. You can see Biafra flag and Palestinian flag. You know, people who you see, normally we use we see Biafra flag and Israeli flag, okay, which Mazda Madakano, who they also called their leader, is one of the people who have been preaching about Judaism and Israelites connection and link between us and Israel. And of all countries of all countries in the world, the only country these people choose to replace that flag, to put it side by side, is the flag of Palestinians. And why? One may ask, why Palestine? Because of China's Aworu. They said in every atom of in every rumor there must be atom of truth. So people have been rumoring that China's Aworu want to propagate Islamic agenda in Biafran struggle. And in one of his broadcasts, he made it clear that Israel are not helping Biafrans and all that. So you ask yourself, what have Palestinians done for Biafran? What have they done for Biafran? Do they help Biafrans in any way at all? So what do you think that is the reason why they choose to, where they're having meeting, they bring in Palestinian flag and Biafran flag and put it side by side? What is going on here?
Okay. Thank you. I love this topic you bring out today. It's a good topic to treat. Thank you for the topic. Now, first of all, let's ask ourselves, what is the meaning of flag? Are you getting me? Flag represents
Yeah.
a nation, a country, depend or
Yes.
organization, depend the purpose of the flag. Now, putting Palestinian flag means that you are representing is a nation. They are not an organization. You get me?
Yes.
Now, again, first of all, who is the founder of IPOB? Martin Kano. Am I right? What is his
Yes.
agenda? What is his mission? Who did he have at heart? Israelite. I get me. Now,
Yes.
if you don't that you are following, start following another person, that you are not worshiping the same person with him, you don't have any interest with the person. Are you getting me? Now,
Yes.
but according to since I was born to the date, I heard that Igbos or Biafrans are Israelites. I have not heard that we are from Palestine for one. Are you getting me? We have, eh?
I'm listening to you. Continue.
Okay. We have a common agenda. You have a common something similar with the Israelite. Now, the issue is that why are you putting Palestinian? What is the interest of Palestinian? For example, now there's a speech you make now that Charles Awori want to bring Islamic agenda. Yes, he have brought it, but in faith. 2 years ago, not mistakenly, he said that if Igbo people that any Biafra person that died, you know, say Biafra that you know say Biafra, say any Igbo person that it should not pass 24 hours. If you know, if you can recall on that speech. Hello?
It's true.
Am I right?
It's
If you
true.
can recall that
Yes,
speech,
you're right. I remember.
those things is an Islamic agenda, but he don't know how to implement it. This is not capable. Due to his agenda is not clear. I get me. Now,
Yeah.
America is flowing who he don't know his left and right. He just dancing to the tune due to his benefits. Because you understand me? Because Emeka gives his flowing channels according to the benefit he's getting. That the sharing of the national cake. That is the aim of him flowing channels. You understand me? Now, for example, now the genocide occurring in Palestine or in Israelite. Understand me? I support Israelites in one way is that, for example, now like we are crying now in Biafra is that Nigeria people are Babylon people now. For example, now one will retaliate in a brutal way now. I get me now. They will say that pray for Nigeria. Let's say for Nigeria. I get me. They will not say now that they are commenting genocide in Biafra. Nobody will say pray for Biafrans. Let's say Biafrans. I get my point now. That is what is happening in Palestine. They first of all to cause what is happening to them. That is why not have mercy on them. And Charles Awuru now it's not a Biafra, it's not fighting for our freedom, it's not in any way with us, on its own. The agenda is not to bring it's not to restore Biafra. The agenda is to demolish Biafra, to bring Biafra backward. If someone that told you that they have nothing to offer to you, the leader is art, what do you think is he have to offer to you? Are you getting me? What do you think
Yeah.
you have to offer to? For example, now there is a genocide, there is a protest or crisis occurring in Senegal now. What is the flag in Senegal? Russia flag. Are you getting me now? What are they using Russia flag to assist them? That's the work of flag. Now, you are raising Palestinian flag. Do you think that Palestinian will assist you? I remember the time our former president, the late president Buhari, Muhammad Buhari went to UN. They asked him the Gaza and you say he prefer the freedom of the Gaza. I get me. Now, do you think that the Islamic will give Biafra the freedom? Are you getting me? This is that what I will say is that these people don't have any agenda for Biafrans or for Igbos or for anything. They have their personal interests. That's their interest they are fighting for. Then before they raise the flag of Palestinian, they have an agenda. If you recall all the crisis that is going on in Nigeria, anything that happened in Palestine or in Gaza, they will put the anger on the Christians or on the Igbos in Nigeria. Now, why are you supporting those that put angers in your people? Are you getting me? Because they don't have anything to offer to us. I believe that these people are failed. They have failed. They have kicked them out of the land. They are looking for way to come back to the drawing board, and it is too late for them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. See, I just want to, make these comments. But before then, let me ask you this question, because I sometimes I feel like these people, they are using indirect way. I saw a video one day. A child of 4 to 5 years was playing with Python. The child saw a python and was playing with that python. The python did not go to the child. The child went to the python and started playing with that, touching the python. And the python was very quiet without reacting. Does it mean that the child touched that python knowing what the python can do, or the ability of that python? The answer is no. But due to his own understanding and the level, as a child that don't know much thing about the life that he's living, that don't know what is harmful and what is not harmful. But touching that python, the child was doing that in, like, as a child that he can touch anything. But it is duty of an adult to drag that child out from the python. What I'm trying to say is that most of these people who claim to be this and that in agitation in Biafran movement, they don't have the knowledge and they don't know what it takes. But at the same time, they want to pilot their affairs. How can you drag steering? You are dragging a car steering that you want to drive the car, and you know that you don't even know how to drive, but you are busy you pushing yourself that you must be on driving seat. Most of these people, like what you said here, they're putting those flags, displaying Palestinian flags where they're having their meeting, not because they know the implication. Some of them don't know. That's my own understanding. Some of them don't know the implication of what they're doing. One, putting Palestinian flag, you are distancing yourself, you are pushing Israel, you are giving Israelites a signal to avoid you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Diana, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your presence. Kai report, good evening, and every lovers of Biafran freedom, Biafran life matters. Yes, you are right. Clifford or George, thank you so much. Long time no see. Welcome back to our live. Thank you so much for joining me today. How are you? So, my dear, like I was saying, they don't know the implication of what they're doing. If Israelis see you carrying Palestinian flag, what that means is that you are telling them that you are one of their enemy. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are one of the enemy, because just few months ago, we saw what Palestinians did in Israel. We saw what they did in Israel. And even here, where I do this live broadcast, I know how many times Palestinian people have come to my live and they're typing, they will be telling you, brother, can you say free Palestinians? They are trying to use your platform to preach the agenda. Do you understand? Everybody knows who their father is. I know my father, you know your father. So why must you tell me to abandon my father to focus on your own father? It doesn't work that way. I have to make sure that I secure my own house before equipping another person's house. If Chinasa Woru is the one pushing the agenda of Islam and all that, that is his agenda. But what baffles me is seeing this kind of people people who are not, they are not much, they are not more children. These are people who are supposed to have their own children, if I'm not mistaken. And what do? They are displaying flags of Palestinians together with attaching it with the Biafrans, and they say they're having Biafran meeting. Imagine if PM is not here, if the Biafran government in Israel, if we don't have anything like that, and these people, what they're doing then is totally mess. They will damage everything. The little friendship and the alliance that Mazda Ghana have built, they will use that stupidity to destroy everything. And imagine Mazda Ghana after coming after freeing himself from camp of enemy, he will start go back. He will start going back to square one, trying to preach, again what he have done in the past, telling people that look, oh, we are Israelites and we are this and that. Something that he have already done, but because of the action that US displayed in his absence, he will be forced to repeating those things again to clear the air. So to me, I don't really like it when I see this kind of post. And we have seen. I don't know if you have if you come across Methuselah video where he said that he's on ground, that nothing is on ground, that people are not doing anything, that the Nigerian army are everywhere, and PM is lying, that there is no sit at home and all that. But today, none of them have the balls to post what is happening in Imo State. Do you understand? Not even if you don't want to post it, none of them make even a write-up of what the condition of people, a Biafran that lives in Oro State. Oro State, is it in Imo State, right? Not Abia. Oro is in Imo State.
Yes, yes.
So
Imo State.
they don't have the courage to do anything, even to make a post about the condition of our people in homeland. But Nigerian government, some of the Nigerian media have also reported about prison break, and the one that happened 2 days ago. So we cannot just keep silent, just fold hand watching these people to keep on selling our people, acting as if nobody have brain in our society anymore. It is very, very shameful and very, very sad. So do you have anything to say about it, or
Yes, yes. What I want to say is that this Chinas Awogum, for example, as they call him, Chinas Awogum, you know that this game is about to end. You want to create more enmity between us. That is his agenda. Are you with me? That is the relationship our PM, relationship our leader and other Genu Biafrans have built with the Israelites for so long. You want to create an enmity with us and them again. Have like what happened in 1966 to 70 during the Civil War, when Israel can come to assist us, to help us. That is what we want to we want to do again, because know that the game is about to kick off. The game is about to kick off, because this one, as they are saying now, they are moving everything to Lagos. Their crisis in east, their crisis in north. The game is about to kick off. The agenda of Chancellor Room and I mean that guy that calling himself America Gift, I don't know anything to offer. Timing. Their mission is just to put confusion. Have it in mind. Remember when they said that instead of PL give everything, have it in mind. This is what
did Emeka Gift also say something like, because I know of
no,
Iken
I don't
Gugwago and
I
Bepran
don't call
Child.
Emeka Gift. I said remember when they say that's their group.
Okay, okay,
I help am
okay,
with the group
okay,
said
okay,
that
okay.
instead of PL to give up Biafra, they scatter Biafra. This is what the agenda
Yes.
of them to scatter Biafra, to cause enmity, to make friends with our enemy. You understand me? Like our PM said that he will make friends with the enemy of the war power, the enemy of Biafrans. Now, don't make any friends with the enemy of PM. That is the agenda. You understand me? And
Yeah.
again, this one we call Methuselah or what? Methuselah. That one don't know
Methuselah.
you don't know the main purpose of them hating PM. That is the issue. Some don't know the main reason of them hating PM. Some are just push and start. When you push them, they start. You understand me? Forget that these people are hating PM because PM are removing food out of their mouths. That's the agenda people of hating PM. Are you getting me? Let the Biafra focus. Let the eye be on the ball. And that we know who is fighting for the freedom, and that is who will follow. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Yes, Biafrans, you have heard it because people are confused about when you see them telling you, no, you have to follow the political solution. You have to listen to your politicians. You have to follow this. And they claim they are listening and following Martin Americano. And they want to convince people who have not listened to Martin Americano in the past to believe that since Martin Americano formed, they formed, or group them as a group, they want you to believe that whatever that comes out from them is the truth, is what you have to follow. So it is very, very clear. Imagine people who say they are fighting for Biafra telling you that don't vote for Biafra referendum, that your data is with DSS. And the same people are the one telling you that PM is spying government security agents. Like the video where Ejiofor was crying and lamenting that most of these security police and other people there, most of them are Igbos. Yes, if they're Igbos, and so what? You are Igbo, and you allow people to use you to buy your own people. So it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. I just want us to know that if you refuse to vote, then go and check the news of what happened in Zamfara State. So I'm talking about recent news. More than 40 people, they kidnapped more than 40 people and by two individuals and one policeman. So if you are not aware of what is going on, you better get yourself equipped in terms of you are not good in reading news. Please, it is time for you to listen to people who read so that they will tell you what they have read. You don't just fold hand and believe that everything will just go like that. The country Nigeria is not what you used to know. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, anything can happen. The safest place today is in Biafra land. The safest place today. Forget about the garagara they are doing in Imo State. That is between army versus army. But when it comes to banditry, ndị Ogbunigwe, if they hold you, you will regret everything. You will regret everything because what their target is money. Money to do what? To buy catapult and gravel to just for invasion of your land, to take your land. That's the agenda. So imagine you paying people money in the name you are paying for ransom, and that money goes to those who is responsible for in purchasing machine catapult and everything for them. So you are the one paying them, and you ask yourself, they don't take no less than 100 mil. Okay, they don't take no less than 100 mil. How many of us have that kind of amount to pay ndị Ogbunigwe? So it is better you stand up and fight for your freedom before they start knocking at your door. If they start knocking at your door, that is where you find yourself in a very big almighty mess. So that is it. You want to make a comment?
Yes. What happened in Zamfara? Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
I want to bring something about that Zamfara. I think, not mistaken. The governor, especially the governor, ordered the youth to start defending themselves, self-defense. It's like I'm just on my Facebook. Let me see if I can get the full rightful information on it. Understand
Okay.
me?
As we are searching for it, let me read a comment from Diana. Diana is one of us, and she said this: those people using Palestinian flags are no more agitating for Biafra. They are no more agitating for Biafran freedom. They have nothing to offer. They are all bunch of foolish and stupid people selling themselves for money. God bless you. You put it in a very perfect way, because it is always about money. Money, 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 money. Now, are you through with it, or should I bring on this one?
Go on first. Go on.
Okay, Jan, I want you to see this, Biafrans. This is Ifa Ejiofor. You have seen this video, but there's a reason why I want you to watch it here. That just watch this video. This is Ifa Ejiofor. Okay, this is Ifa Ejiofor enjoying in a nightclub somewhere in Enugu, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can see him with a Akwa. Okay, so this is him. This is Ifa Ejiofor. And what did he do here? 24 years ago, now you go the ranches with the cat for club. A whole Ifa Ejiofor, Paris, what they do? See, addition of currency. This is what they do now. Addition of currency under the corner. Look at it. The DOS. DOS, look at it. Oh, now Paris, look at it. See what they do. See, you know, they show with the who make cookers, small boys. Look at it. See dance. See, look at dance. Look at that. Forget of Africano. A whole Africano. Now, all this guy you see, all this guy you see, we make a sucker. You see, look at it. Go give a pop. Look at it. You don't drunk. You don't hide. I don't know if the video is clear at all. I don't know if it's clear at all.
Let me check.
See what they do. I wonder why the kind of if you don't betray, see, not betrayer. If you phone and betrayer, don't the job with the Nigerian government. Look at if you phone, look at it, they give a call money. 24 years ago, now you go the ranches. Look at for club. Only for phone. Paris, that's what they do. See,
It's clear. It's okay.
This is what they do now. Addition of currency under the corner. Look at it. The DOS. Look at it. Now Paris, look at it. See what they do. See. So why I play this video? Look at it. See that is because of the look at advocate of what our sister said here, that they sell themselves for money. After watching this video, PM published this video, and Ifa Ejiofor quickly rushed to court to sue this club for what no, I think that he called it. Is it a kind of that the tarnish his image or something like that? But what will interest you in that lawsuit is that the amount of money that he's requesting from that club is one bogus price. Let me. Oh my goodness, these people. If I ever don't joke with money. And you wonder what he's using those money to do.
That's why he's leader.
That's why of course, that's why he sold it. Because once the money is not coming, anything available, he will market it immediately. Let me bring that information, because anything money. That's what he cared for. Okay, let me go to PM Twitter. Let me go to PM Twitter, because that is where we have it. Let me go to PM Twitter. If I Ejiofor. So you cannot just okay, this one is different. Your PM can post almost
For the second time, they demanded the presence of the service chiefs on the deteriorating state of insecurity across the country. Take a look.
Anticipation mounted as the Senate resumed plenary on the second legislative day of the week, with the expected arrival of service chiefs to the upper chamber. The worsening state of insecurity in the country has been a major subject of debate among.
Okay, before I bring this news that you are listening to, let me complete the one of Ifa Ejiofor suing the disco management manager. Okay, let me bring it for you so you see. Okay, this is the post. Okay, this post now you are seeing here is Ifa Ejiofor post. Okay, you can see but Ifa Ejiofor, unless okay, you see it, unless defamation, IPOB lawyer sues Enugu disco manager, okay, demands 50 billion, okay, damages, 50 billion damages. You can see the amount. So he will put this bogus amount here, and if not 50 million, no, this is BN, okay, billion, not 50. So you can see before he put this amount of money so that in the court, by the time they start dragging, maybe he will end up with at least 50 or 100 million. Okay? So that is it, or even 30 million, because any amount goes. So somebody who can do this kind of thing, what if you ask yourself, that club where he was dancing and showing off his skills, if you are to sell off that disco club, does it worth up to the amount that he's demanding? But that is it. So that's to show that now, if I age or four or whatever he called himself, he is always after money. His agenda is money, 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 money. That's what he cares for, money all the time. So are you through with what you're searching for?
I not see the thing. I want to see. There's a place, a governor in the northern region decided that all his citizens should, all his states should go for state defense. You know what I mean? Due to what
I
is
have
going
seen,
on in
I have seen that. I think that I have seen that news. I think that was
the 2
was it
days
not
ago,
last
yeah.
week? Is it last
Two or
week?
3 days ago. Not yes, no, I not see the news again, but you understand me? I saw the
As
news. Okay.
that, that's the regional security that the people the Northerners refuse to support now. So why are they now trying to ask for it? I thought they don't want it before. I thought they don't want it before.
Emma, Oku the over. Oku the over. Yeah, sorry. Oku the over. Oyuku begin ka begin. Crying. Oku the over. You understand me? That is the
Oh
zoo
good,
is gone.
oh
The
good
zoo is
over,
gone.
oh good over indeed. Yes, oh
It's
good over
gone.
indeed.
Nothing can prevent him from falling this time around because a foundation that is built with a false materials, with a false with lies and propaganda, with side chick, not wife. You understand me? What do you expect in the foundation? It's a faulty foundation, and anything faulty foundation must go down. That's what people don't know about it. Anything
Faulty
40 foundation
foundation.
will go down. Now, Nigeria is a 14 foundation that not want the success and the progress of their citizens. Okay, they are in hardship over there in Nigeria. For example, now they are increasing custom duty clearance. Have you heard it? They have put almost 500 again on top of the money of today. But this is the amount.
All this,
What?
all this thing is to strangle Igbo man. You
No, see,
understand?
no matter the increasement of custom, it not affect Igbo man. Have it in mind. If I clear my goods 1 million, for example, you put it to 1.5 million, I clear it 1.5 million. Have it in mind that goods I clear 1.5 million, I'll put the money inside the clearing for inside the consumers. Who are the consumers? Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. I get me. Everybody is the
The,
consumers.
the man himself, being Tinubu, don't care. You understand? And
Tini-
he
Tinubu,
don't care. And Britain,
Tinubu, if you observe the first speech of Wike as the minister of FCT, what did he say? That I will demolish Aso Rock. Go and study it. Go and hear it. Are you getting me? Wike point Aso Rock for demolition. Wike point House of Assembly, Federal House of Assembly for demolition. Are you getting me? Ask yourself, once he demolish Aso Rock, where are they going to beat it back? In Lagos State. It's an icon. People is pushing a bit back to Lagos, Lagos State. Are you getting me? People want to make Abuja rubbish for living there. That is the agenda of Tinubu. Even though you are crying, you are not crying. It's not after that. It's after his people. You bring everything back to the state back. That's the. You understand me? Tinubu know what he's playing. That now the Northerners have found it.
But every now and then you see an Igbo man trying to pretend that everything is working fine, whereas they can see it that is not working. Even now, Yoruba people are, some of the Yorubas are also can testify that Nigeria is not working. They can tell you, look, let me maybe you have seen this. The man, the video was a kind of funny, but the man is making sense also about Tinubu.
Anything. Who the hell is Tinubu? And I'm asking that, who the hell is Tinubu? This is a man that has no school certs. He doesn't have anything. Parents are unknown. His parents are unknown.
That Tinubu don't have school cert. His parents are unknown. You know, PM made mention of this in one day. I was like, where did you get this information? Is it true? You understand? But now, from a fellow Yoruba man, he's now telling him the truth that his family, Tinubu family, is unknown. His parents are unknown. His school, what's it called? His school certificate and everything is unknown.
The school he attended are unknown. His names are unknown. He doesn't have any name. All those names that is behind, they are fake names. This is a man that nobody knows his classmate when he was in school.
Can you? I hope you are. He's coming out, right? You can hear what his man is saying.
Yes, I'm hearing it. It's coming out.
Nobody knows his
Look at my face very well. I don't owe anybody apology. My name is Olalekan Larewaju. So whatever you want to do, go and do it.
Navy carry out a coup like Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, and other.
Okay, let me bring another Yoruba man telling you how it is. Just and Metusel and Co.
With my little age, I can be. With my little age, I can be the president of this country, and I will tell you, I'm not aware of what is going on. Then it means I am not supposed to be there in the first place. If you're in the place where your impact is not felt, then your presence was never needed. I am very, very pained. My grandmother in the village cannot go to farm all alone because of insecurity. So are you not telling me that a nation of over 200 million people cannot fight insecurity? We can, but some people have actually politicized this thing. And that is why even the rice farmers cannot go to the farm now to say they want to produce rice, because somebody will be there to kill them. Now, the basis for kidnappers now in this country, once they catch you, you are paying 100 million. You and I, if I ask you now, God forbid, if they pick any of your family member, God forbid, can you afford 100 million naira? Is it not when you even have the 100 million that you think of 100 million? I don't have 100,000 naira in my account. So God forbid they pick any of my family member and asking me for 200,000. Where will I get it from? And these people believe that there is no way, you will source out this money. And can I shock you, sir? None of these kidnappers have ever been arrested. Each time you arrest these kidnappers, they are always looking wretched. If I am worth 10 million as I am standing, from my dresses, you will see 10 million. You will see sign of 10 million. So someone who have been collecting 100 million about 5 times, 500 million. When you see the person, you see the kind of shoe he's putting on, you will know that someone is actually sponsoring these people. Someone somewhere is negotiating on their behalf, collecting the ransom on their behalf. And the government of the day is aware. They can't claim not to be aware. It is not possible. Because they see all Nigerians, they see all the masses, the presidency see all the masses as noisemakers. And this was exactly the same thing Buhari did. I believe we are all noisemakers. And can I shock you? If we decide to organize a small protest now, they will send firearms against us, they will kill us, and nothing will happen. That is why I said solution. There is no solution. So I am talking to you now because God has said I should talk. I am talking to you now because I have hope in God. So God has been the one sustaining us. But talking about solution, honestly, sir, I can tell you that there is no solution. These people doesn't feel anything for us. This one I am talking now, I am talking now, I am talking now. If they have the power to shut, if they catch me, what are we saying? There is no solution anywhere. If we should organize ourselves now that we are going to National Assembly, the next thing you will see soldiers shooting at us. These people have no conscience. So another one, Nigeria is doomed. It is gone. It is gone. It is not. It is irreparable. I am telling you, because Buhari came and he laid down a bad precedence. We know what happened during.
Do you remember when Massimo Kano was saying that Nigerian is irredeemable? That it is
Yes.
irredeemable. Now, it's a move from Biafran to also other people. They cannot see, because the guy that was interviewing this man asked him, "Are you saying that Nigerian is irredeemable?" He said, "Of course." Let me take it back, so it will not be as if I'm the one making it.
If we should organize ourselves now that we are going to National Assembly, the next thing you will see soldiers shooting at us. These people have no conscience. So another one, Nigeria is doomed. He is gone.
So Nigeria is doomed. He says it's gone. The man asked him, "So Nigeria is doomed?" The guy replied, "Now of course Nigeria is gone."
These people have no conscience. So another one, Nigeria is doomed. He is gone. It is gone. It is not. It is irreparable. I am telling you.
That it is irreparable. Then you want to say something?
Yeah, this man is making this noise. Now I call this noise. Are you getting me? If he's go and vote for Tinubu. You understand me?
No,
Hello?
it's not about voting for Tinubu or not voting for Tinubu. The reason why I'm playing this is not to vindicate anybody. I'm just
Okay.
trying to let our people know, some of us who still believe that asking for freedom, that is a waste of time, that somehow one day Nigeria will be all this building will just be a very nice country, workable country, everything will be nice. That I'm just playing it for you to know that it is not about people like PM who want Biafran to go, or Mazamodo Kano. It's not all about them. It is about what you can see. You yourself can also see that if you want to manage that Nigerian that you love so much, does Nigeria love you? Does the nation of Nigeria is not a nation, that country that you love so much, does it have any atom of love for you, just to give you back that love that you are showing? So you find out that you are doing yourself. Before now, you hardly see, you can't see any Yoruba person or Hausa or other people, other from other region in Nigeria, speaking the way this man is speaking today. Normally, far back 2013, 2014, 2015, it was Biafran that sounded like this. Biafran, it's only Biafran that always complain and, that can boldly come out and tell you that it will never work. But now, it have metaphors to other people saying the same thing as well. Please, has a Jofor ever won a case in Nigeria than terrorizing the innocent people in his community? And he also denied, he never also accept that he do that. I have another post also about this Jofor. I don't want to bring it up, but because of this comment, I think I need to bring it up. When Jofor is very, very funny. The time, a lot of things are still hidden. A lot of there's a lot of secrets. Okay, a lot of secrets are still hidden. Please, guys, hit the like button. I think we have almost 36 now watching. It was 50 something people watching. Now it have gone to 30 something, and only 4 people hit the like button. Please click the like button so that other people will watch the video and learn and understand what the reason why Biafrans are seeking for their freedom. It is very, very important. Okay, even as I'm talking to you now, it is 44 people, but we have only 4 people clicking the like button. Is unfair. So let's move on. Let's move on. Let me continue playing. Let me complete the video so that we can jump back.
Because Buhari came and he laid down a bad precedence. We know what happened during the election. These people have no conscience. So another one, Nigeria is doomed. It's gone. It is gone. It is not. It is irreparable. I am telling you, because Buhari came and he laid down a bad precedence. We know what happened during the election. By the grace of God, I am not very educated, but from the way I talk, you will know I am not stupid either. I am neither educated nor stupid, so I am just in the middle. So somebody will not call me an illiterate, and I will simply not call myself a well-educated fellow. So from the way I talk, you will know that I actually know what I'm saying. The country is gone. Because the next person that will come, we say, Buhari did it, you people did not talk. And that's right. Tinubu also did it, we did not talk. And that is also right. Let the court tell Tinubu to do things like this. Now Tinubu will tell the court that he is the court himself. So tell me, in a place where rule of law is not in existence, do you think we can do anything? The country is gone, Nebaba. Let's not deceive ourselves. See, you are surviving not because the country wants you to survive. You are surviving because God has said you should survive. Your children are eating because not enough. How much are you even earning now? Your salary cannot even take care of yourself, let alone your family. If you want to buy wears, your salary cannot cater for your wardrobe alone. The country is gone, like it is gone. So we are talking because we feel okay. There is still that God factor. You understand now? We are talking. I am talking this way. I am being passionate about the whole thing because I still believe in that God factor. Being a Christian. So apart from the God factor, forget it. Nigeria is long gone. Right from when Buhari came in, it is gone. You know, a situation where we tell you nothing, we go do anything and nothing will happen. Nigeria.
So that is it. That's the message from a Yoruba man who he have tested both sides and he cannot tell you the actual truth. Now, you know what is going on in it's sometimes I feel so. It is shocking. Who are not even Biafrans, white people can, you know, tell you the feelings of being a Nigerian. They know what Nigerian is going on, what Nigerian is going through, and what Nigerians also want. But because of their selfish interests, Britain can do anything. They are ready to go to any length to protect their business and their interests. Now, PM posted this. Okay, it's from Sahara Reporters who attacked, but the PM attached it on his post and says, the post says UK signs deal to allow British lawyers practice in Nigeria. So this is from Sahara Reporters that Britain they have signed a deal to allow British lawyers to start practicing in Nigeria. So that is going back to colonization. So we are going back to colonization. They want to, very soon they will still bring their, of course, the judges will be there and the police also will come. And you know, that is taking power again from those they claim they have given it, they have the independence. So VM responded and said, there are corrupt countries that after that okay, tell the town streets, that is a British government that is responsible for this signatory or whatever, and their corrupt country that after Biafra is exit, they can even move the land of Nigerian to UK. This is death on arrival. They are panicking over Biafra. This time around, we will move everything, level everything, and rebuild it in Biafra. That is response from PM to this plan, or if I don't know, because they said they have the signs. I don't know if they have signed it or they're planning to do that, to start sending their lawyers to practice in Nigeria. Of course, that is where they will start implementing their own laws and their feelings of what they think about their company that is about to collapse. And we saw people engaging, as the Nigerian security agencies are engaging Biafrans in the homeland. There's an evidence that American army are there as a machinery, and from what PM said this evening, it is obvious and very clear that American have sent their machineries. Of course, the price the Nigerian government paying them have not been revealed. Nothing is hidden. It's a matter of time. Every secret will also surface. So I will play this. I think I need to bring up the live the live of PM in that aspect, because we need to update ourselves with what is going on, and the agenda of Nigerian to pay missionaries $1,000 each, while paying their own security agents that is in front line, laying their life for nothing. 30 something dollar, which is 50,000 naira. That's their salary. Imagine people going in face, putting their head in a war front, at the same time receiving a peanut, 50K, while the same government that you are fighting for are paying their missionaries in dollars, $1,000 per person. And who is leading the war? Of course, the locals, the home securities, the Nigerian securities, who know the way to, how to go and where to go and all that. So you cannot expect the missionaries to be the one, in front, because they don't know any road, they don't know the road map, and they don't understand it. So that is it. But our people are very, very funny, very, very funny. But
Especially those residing in this area, to exercise patience with us. Our task is to make sure that we decimate them, as many as possible, before they will retreat as
is
usual.
it coming out?
And like I said, the Biafran forces are ready
Okay.
to sustain and defend our land as long as they want. But before we go into some of the issue, I will brief to Biafra people today on the security of our land. I want to also take us back to 1760s, of the independence of the United States of America. I want us to draw some solace from what America went through in the hand of British before the independence of America. And I want Biafra people and our friends and well-wishers and journalists who are seated on their various locations listening to me today, I want to draw their memory back to America independence. How the America got independent, what led to the declaration of the American independence of 1776. Throughout the 1760s and the early 1770s, the North America colonies found themselves increasingly at odds with the British imperial policies regarding taxation and the frontier policy.
All this.
Basically engaging, attacking those people who refuse to obey the boycotting of the British goods. This is the tactics that you can use to fight Britain. Britain is one of the most evil countries on this planet. And many people who have fought Britain, for you to win any freedom against any country that British is involved, you must be able to apply extraordinary measures, just like the Biafra government.
Do you hear what PM said?
Yes. Before you can win British, you will apply every measure. You cannot just win British like that. That's what he's saying.
Yeah. Yes, because started addressing the Biafrans by going, bringing back how American got their independence from British. And the comment that got me, interested on this is because he mentioned that many countries that are working with Britain, people countries that British, have their influence on them. For them to get their freedom, they have to apply, a different measure. But you can't, because during the time of the American was protesting, on the streets, trying to do like what the US are calling now, what they are calling now, what's it called? They say political solution. America tried that system on British, and it didn't work. They tried it and tried it, but it didn't work at all, at all. So that is why I read the post about what they said they're going to send the army, the lawyers to practice in Nigeria. You understand? So, but I will not go through the live broadcast because it is about uh, about 1 hour video. So we are not going through them. I just want you to hear what PM said, that they are evil, that only country that Britain, that seeking for their freedom from Britain, have to go through different measure, high measure to challenge them, because you can't, they will not listen, they will not do anything until you give them what they really want. Then they will let you be. If you check the history of what is happening in Gaza today, it was Britain that created that problem, you know. So we know the history about what Israel and the Palestinians are going through now. It was British people that engineered that nonsense before. That's why PM said they are this and that, which is right. Because if you check it, you understand that they are truly. So we are going to end it here now. Do you have any? Can you summarize and let Biafrans know your channel as well, so that we can call it a day here? It is but I want this broadcast to be just 1 hour, and now we have exceeded the time.
Okay, thank you. According to the program, state that Chance room and Emeka give them. There are also a meeting with a Palestinian flag. Biafrans all over the world. Let's forget those people. They are not here for your own good. They are here to just distract Biafra with that flag. Flag means something. It mean depend. A country flag means that you are with the country. A organization flag means that you are with the organization. Flag means something. And from day one, who we are following is Mazen and Kanu. Have not for one day make sure Palestinian or Gaza or any other thing. Make sure Israelite. And Israelite is people that are secure in Mazen and Kanu when he went there for safety. Therefore, let's put hand to back our PM. The US have come with a political, they failed. The political situation is what put Ojukwu into Apoga. And what is the end of Apoga? Nothing. Ojukwu don't achieve anything in Apoga. That's why they are putting political solution. Once they accept the political solution now, they will form up maybe to a movement of a political party. That's the mission of the political solution. But our PM, our leader is ahead of them. For him not to accept the political solution. The US have used this agenda with our leader, he did not answer them. Now they are bringing it again after the kidnapping to see that if they can use the thing to hold him. Therefore, let's back our PM. And have it in mind, freedom is not given, freedom is taken. You must take your freedom. It's called compulsory, not sharp. It's must. You must take your freedom. Expect that any person, any countries in the world will just come from you. Be you Israelite, Russia, Palestinian, any country, will never come for a rescue without you fighting, taking your freedom. You can only come when the world hear your voice. If Israelite not strike Gaza, for example, the world will not interfere. Let me be sincere. Therefore, our PM is ready to strike Nigeria in a way that it will hurt them. But have it in mind, you cannot strike them with empty hand. We need granite, we need things to strike you. Just put hand together. Thank you, Biafran.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. Just what is your channel name so that they will.
Okay, Biafra, good evening, everyone. My channel name is Star Money One. Star Money TV One. Star
Okay,
Money TV One.
Star Money
Yeah,
TV One. Okay.
that's my channel
Okay.
name.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. This
You're welcome.
Deji Akibode, it says Biafra. You are your broad. I think your president is actually the fraud here. So it's very very shameful for you to have the kind of president you have, and you are calling somebody a fraud. What when your president, which is your brother, have refused to accept his activities, you know what I mean, and you also may be one of the accomplices. So you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, and that is it. That's the only thing I have to tell you. I know you are no more here. You just drop that and run away, but let the statement go to you, as I've said it. Indeed, indeed.
Okay, bye.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming. Please, before you go, hit the like button. Hit the like button so that people will watch the video and also contribute either own contribution. I wanted to post a link so that anyone who wants to come in to participate will just follow the link. But I think we we have exceed our time. We have exceeded our time. I was thinking that this program will just end immediately after 1 hour, but at the moment we have exceeded the time. That will be maybe probably tomorrow. That will be tomorrow. Thank you all. I really appreciate your presence. God bless you all, and good night, your time, good evening. Some of you, good afternoon and good morning. Especially those in Asia, stay cool. Bye bye.